Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new around here, hi, I'm Janine from Happy Stylish Fit, where I give all sorts of tips and tricks to help you mamas out in living a happy, stylish, and fit lifestyle. So for today's video, I am sharing all about the Simply Earth Essential Oils recipe box. So basically, this is a monthly subscription service where every month you receive 4 essential oils plus a bunch of recipe cards and different fixings that you need to create different DIY products out of those essential oils and other items. So every month it comes with is based around a theme, and I am excited to find out what this month's is. So stay tuned until the end or check out the description, and I have a coupon code in there for you for when you sign up for your Simply Earth subscription box. So let's just jump right into this. All right. So this month, very fitting, is all about Halloween, which that makes a whole lot of sense. So the oils that we have are energy. So this includes eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint. So I think that would be great for diffusing. We have cinnamon, and I'm not sure what I was about to say, but there's cinnamon. Then we also have citrus burst, and I love citrus scents, so I'm really excited for this one. And last but not least, rosemary, which is great because I've actually really been wanting a rosemary one. So what else do we have in here? We have a little pouchy bag. I have no idea what this is, but I'm sure our little recipes are going to let us know. But it almost seems like it's a little piece of wood in a metal thing, so it seems like a wick. I bet you this is a wood wick. Then we have a little inhaler tube, so that will be fun. I've never made an inhaler yet. A cute little spider, and some candle wax. So it definitely looks like we're gonna make a candle, so that's great. So the different recipe cards we have are, there we go, a Halloween candle. So we're going to use the rosemary for that, citrus burst, and the little candle. So one thing I love about Simply Earth is they give you what you need for the recipes. It's very rare, sometimes it does happen, but very rare that you have to go out and buy things. Most of the things they don't include are things that you're going to find in and around your house. So that's great. So we get to make a Halloween candle this month. Ooh, Halloween makeup removers. This is going to be great for all of your kids' painted faces, and I bet you it's just going to be an awesome makeup remover for ourselves, because it does say to use coconut oil, which is what I use in itself for a makeup remover, so it would be great to add some essential oils to that. Ooh, a creepy crawler's repellent. So that's what this little sachet bag is for, which is perfect because this time of year I'm noticing a lot more spiders coming into the house, and I was actually talking with the hubby how I wanted to make something like this. So this is so perfect. Then we have an energy roll-on, so that is going to be great for these gloomy days, needing to get some work done around the house or feeling tired out from your kiddos. You can use the energy roll-on. Uplifting inhaler, so on the same sort of theme. I'm really excited to try the inhaler. I've never made one of those. And then Blood of the Dragon diffuser. So a nice diffuser blend, which is great. Almost every month it comes with a diffuser blend, which is I really like because I always have our diffusers going around the house. So that's what is in the October Simply Earth recipe box. Again, you have the 4 essential oils, which in itself pays more than pays for your subscription, and then every month you get the fun DIY recipes to do, which I love doing, and you can follow along on my Instagram stories as I make them throughout the next few weeks. And if you sign up using the coupon code HSF free, so that I'll pop it on the screen for you, HSF free, and I'll leave a link down below. But when you sign up using that, you are going to get the big bonus box for free, which comes with all of these great little containers and the almond oil and coconut oil that you're going to need to make those DIY recipes. And in addition, so you get the free big bonus box, tons of stuff in there. You're also going to get a $20 gift card for the Simply Earth shop. So you can get all different kinds of essential oils with that outside of what you're going to get with the subscription box. So if you're a natural mama like me, the subscription box is so made for you. It's definitely geared towards moms. A lot of the recipes, like last month was a kid recipe theme with bumps and boo-boos and different things like that. And again, this kind of has like Halloween makeup remover for your kiddos. But if you don't have kids, don't worry about it. There's going to be lots in it for you. But I highly, highly recommend it. I love getting it every single month. And yeah, go check it out. Use the coupon code and there you go. So I will leave you guys for now. And I hope you have an awesome October and a super fun Halloween. Okay, bye.